Today's video is going to be something similar to what I've done before, which was the rainbow unicorn poop cake. But this time we're going to be making it as rainbow cupcakes with unicorn poop on top. As always, everything you're going to need and the recipe will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cupcakes. We're going to start by separating our cake batter. I'm using my recipe, but you can use any that you like. Mine will be in the description box down below. Just divide this up and then we're going to dye them the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to do purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And I used the same bowl to dye my batter in, as well as using the same piping bag when I went to go pipe this. So I did one color, put it in the bag, and then just kept alternating with every color. And then just preheat your oven at 350 degrees. So here you can see I put the cake batter into a piping bag to make it easier to put these colors into the cupcake liners. And you're just going to want to do this with all your batter. And I started with purple, and then I did the blue, and then the green, the yellow, orange, and ended with the red. And once you're done piping all your colors, I just gave the tray a little tap. You can bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes. So while your cupcakes are baking, we're going to prepare the frosting for these. I started with doing some green frosting for the grass. You're going to want a piping bag with a grass tip. And then once your cupcakes have had plenty of time to chill, we're going to start piping on that grass. So you just want to lightly squeeze the bag to have a little bit of the frosting come out, and just let it touch the cupcake and then pull away so that you create this grass effect. And then just do this with all your cupcakes. And then to create the unicorn poop, I ended up getting my pink, blue, and purple and a paintbrush. I directly put some food color into the bag with the tip. I'm using a circle tip for this. And with that paintbrush, I just spread the food color around. So then when you squeeze out the frosting, it creates a swirl effect onto the buttercream. So I just painted in some pink, blue, and purple, and then I scooped my buttercream right into the piping bag. As you can see here, there's my colors and the frosting, and then you're just going to want to do a swirl and make it look like unicorn poop right on top of these cupcakes. This color is a little darker than the unicorn poops I had on my cake. You can go as light or as dark as you'd like, and as well as changing the colors if you want. If you want to add some effects to this, you can also add some sprinkles, some circular pearls. I'm using some silver ones and some colorful ones as well. And here's that final shot of these unicorn poop cupcakes. And that's how you make these rainbow poop unicorn cupcakes. As always, you can customize it. You can make the unicorn poop any color you like. You can add anything to this if you want. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of this or anything I make, I do post on Instagram, and all my links and everything are down below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more recipes, and if you don't want to miss a recipe, hit the notification bell so you get alerted when a new recipe goes up. Until next time, stay sweet!